How's it going, guys? My name is Alden Morris, and today I'm going to be introducing to you the Beez Combat Systems Comms Wing for Baofeng and Pofung radios. Now, sorry about the lighting in the background. I had to move my photo lab around today, but it'll be back up to normal later. So, starting off, I made a little list to make sure I don't forget anything for you guys, especially because I'm going to be going over what models that this pouch supports. So, starting with the beginning, it's going to be 100% laser cut, like everything else. It's got the laser cut holes for your PTT as well as for your butt accessories. It's got a laser cut drain hole, and you'll see that how it fits in here is it's got an extra piece of Velcro, because this is actually an ambidextrous piece of equipment. You can switch it from either side if you're a left-handed shooter or a right-handed shooter. And finally, it has a bungee retention, so that way it's secured into place. Now, this one does fit the ham radios or the Baofeng radios or Pofung with the extended battery pack. And the models that it does support is the UV5X3, UV5R, the BF-FA-HP and the HP Plus, GT3TP, the GT3WP, the UV9R Plus, and the 1701. So, again, there's a button window and access port with the radio installed. It does mount to both micro chest rigs, such as this one right here. This is the Micro X AK placard. It does convert into a chest rig, or it can actually be put onto a plate carrier like this one right here, the Optum. However, if you just wanted to run, for example, a micro chest rig or a chest rig, all you simply do is you take off your protective Velcro piece. And on this pouch, the pouch is actually designed for the radio to face inward, so that way it saves you space on real estate. So in mounting this, you do want to put it inwards. So either on the left hand or the right hand side. For me, I would have my radio on my left side. So this is how it would fit if I were to wear it on my left side. If you want to switch it over to the right side, again, all you simply do is just lift back this back piece, adjust it over, bring it back down. When you bring your placard in, you want to make sure that it's facing inwards. Once you attach it, you'll see that it's ambidextrous. So that is a neat little piece of equipment there. When installing it on a micro chest rig, make sure you do put your backing on it for the Velcro, just so you have that extra rigidity. It doesn't come loose on you. If your micro chest rig does include a backing. Now, if you buy the Micro X AK or the Micro X AR chest rigs from Beez Combat Systems, they do come with that backing, which helps secures that pouch into place. And again, if you're running a plate carrier like you see here, the Optum plate carrier, this is the Sappy Shooter, all you're going to be doing is, once you take your cover button off, you lift up that front flap and simply just put it on. And you can put your cummerbund, or excuse me, put the flap down, and you put your cummerbund on, just on over it. So that way when you're running and gunning, you can save that real estate space, and you got your radio nice and attached to the interior of your body. So nice and secured. It actually is a comfortable fit. I do have clips playing throughout this video from the Beez Combat Systems storefront commercial showing that ambidextrous design from a downward perspective on both the plate carrier and the micro chest rig. Now, this pouch does come in a variety of colors. Give me a second, I'll get it off here. Again, sorry for the lighting behind me. But it does come in a variety of colors. It is 100% laser cut, so there is quite a variety of colors that are optionable. So if you check out the storefront, which I will leave a link at the bottom of this video for you, so that way you can be directed to the storefront site to see that. It also have display pictures, obviously, for you, and a video showing its unique design and how it operates. It does MSRP at $32.99, and those colors will change $3 or $4 depending on which color scheme you want, whether it's multicam black or arid or whatnot. So do check that out. It's the Comms Wing Baofeng Pofung pouch. You can find it under gridlock pouches or just pouches in general at the Beez Combat Systems site at beezcombatsystems.com. Give it a like if you like it. Perfect for mil-spec, and mil-sim training and operations. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.